Diwali, so let's get started. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, we literally just came back from doing all those amazing fireworks, and I can definitely say that this was the best group of fireworks I've ever done. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'm really excited because it's my brother's birthday today. Say, I love you. I love you, sister.